Composing ebooks as well as putting them up for sale on platforms like Amazon is one of the ways to generate income from ebook sales. According to The Guardian, sales of digital publications are set to hit an all-time high as readers spend more on electronic books to escape the aftermath of COVID, climate and economic changes. To generate income from ebooks, you need to adjust your material to match a specific criterion and also place in particular efforts to make your own readers the first choice. Consequently, this article will walk you through untapped methods to earn money from ebooks. Keep in mind, there's no end to high or low as long as you set up your account correctly to revenue you can make from ebook sales. Is selling ebooks profitable? While selling digital books has the potential to be rewarding, it's not a service where you make thousands per sale. One book is capable of raising you from $0 to a millionaire with a following and marketing. To make money from ebooks, you need to keep sales going on a continuous basis. Monitoring as well as processing these sales can be a lengthy job unless you utilize web platforms that can help you with the heavy lifting. There are different platforms where you can sell your ebooks, among which is the largest one, Amazon.com. Amazon opens publishing opportunities for independent authors to submit their books and also make lifetime revenue. While many ebooks are sold on Amazon.com, there are also different ebook platforms to release and also disperse your ebooks such as Payhip.com, Sells.com, Fiverr.com, Fire.com, Blurb.com, eAddict, iBooks. Also you can sell ebooks on Etsy as well. With these platforms, it's much easier as well as affordable than ever before to release an ebook and also make money from it. While Amazon.com is one of the most preferred platforms most individuals think of selling ebooks online, you can additionally sell your books straight from your very own internet site as well. All you need is an excellent advertising approach. Just how can I make money off ebooks? Earning money from ebooks isn't an overnight success, it takes a lot of effort to make money off ebooks. To stand one-on-one with this fact, comply with some best techniques to ensure your ebook draws attention and creates sales. Before planning on earning money from ebooks sales, there are certain actions you need to take. Among which is formatting your publication right into a book. Much like physical books, digital books are written in a particular style. For instance, once the ebook is written, you're going to need to transform it into Kindle layout before publishing. If the book was written in Word, you can utilize Amazon's Kindle website. You can sell your book for whatever price you like. However, for the most part, the excellent price hinges on your publication's length, reviews, as well as competitors. You can likewise invest money on marketing for your book to raise its chances of success. This advertising and marketing can be done on personal sites, blog sites, or social networks. This plan will certainly help drive traffic to your publication. Let's take a quick look at the 10 tips to generate income from marketing books. 1. Select a prominent topic for your ebook. In choosing a topic for your book, select a topic that is one of a kind and of high worth. We suggest you create something you are genuinely acquainted with as opposed to just selecting a subject from the thin air, maybe since you feel it has a high conversion value. When you communicate a concept you are passionate regarding, your viewers will associate much better to the topic as well as it will bring in extra sales. Additionally, in picking a subject or niche you recognize with, it will also be apt if you check out what sells on the very popular book platforms for suggestions. As we read additionally, we'll render a few lines on the best-selling ebook subjects on the market. 2. Creating the cover. The stating, "Don't evaluate a book by the cover," could be ultimately real. Nonetheless, the cover of the book, especially an ebook, plays an excellent role in drawing in purchases. A quality cover makes your book look specialist. It reveals you mean business as well as the web content within is of high quality. This is a fantastic sales strategy. 3. Write a high-standard digital book. To create a high-grade e-book, you will need to invest months, or perhaps years, fixing it, proofreading it, as well as editing numerous drafts until it depends on scratch. The even more initiative you take into your ebook, the better it will certainly be, in terms of quality and monetary worth. We suggest you utilize the tools and also software while creating. Tools like Grammarly will be useful. And also, attempt to obtain feedback on your job from as many other people as you can in the process. The creating process might take longer than anticipated, however it will certainly be worth it to create top quality message. Not only will this indicate you can include a greater market price to your ebook, but your readers will also be more probable to recommend that it is individuals they know. 4. Select the best value publishing platform for you. The publishing platform is an abundant ground for your money to grow. In picking your digital book system, we recommend you go for the best value publishing systems where you can make the most cash on. 5. Develop an advertising and marketing approach for your ebook. Just as it repays to very carefully create a digital book, it will certainly pay you more if you channel some power into the advertising and marketing element of the offer. To earn money from the ebook, individuals need to learn about it, and also the only method to accomplish this is by using some advertising and marketing strategies. Promoting your digital book has to not cost you a dime, as it can be done via social networks or personal blogs. On the other side, you can pay to run paid advertisements on social media sites to boost reach as well as web traffic. To make the procedure smooth, you can compose a social media site's theme to lead the process on social media. Furthermore, you can produce a website with the single aim of promoting your digital books. And also, you might get in touch with publication clubs directly to see if they would want reviewing your message at a discounted price. 6. Enter your ebook into book competitions. Composing competitors is one sure way to earn money from ebooks. Creating competitions won't only put you in a pole position for incentives, however additionally offers you a platform to market your ebook. You can search for writing competitors on Google. 7. Publish a series of ebooks. This is one hack that will certainly help you make money from ebooks. Below is the idea. Once you learn that your digital book is selling well in regards to bigger reach and audience, think about creating an entire collection of novella-style manuscripts constructed around that ebook, suggestion, or topic. If you publish an effective ebook and find yourself with a growing audience, you can take into consideration composing a whole series of messages built around the exact same personalities or motifs. The best methods to come close to creating an ebook series would certainly depend on the kind of your work, i.e. fiction or non-fiction. Nonetheless, stick to your reactions and also do what you feel is. Before you start, you additionally have to discover if there will be a natural development from one part of your ebook to the others. 8. Format your ebook well. This goes a long way to determine your ebook's market value. If your book is badly formatted, readers will always rule out yours as an alternative regardless of the material as well as wisdom therein. As soon as the book is created, you're going to need to transform it to the Kindle format prior to publishing. If the book was written in Word, you can use Amazon.com Kindle Develop to style it. 9. Fix a modest rate. Most individuals go for books over physical publications as a result of the price. If your book has to be one to offer, it has to be reasonably economical. This will give your ebook an edge over not simply physical books, however various other competing ebooks. Before setting a price you believe matches your initiative and high quality of the ebook, particular factors like time, information depth, and also others must be taken into consideration. On Amazon.com, the rate is between 99 cents as well as $2.99. Most people start the ebook at 99 cents. $2.99 gives the appearance of higher quality contrasted to 99 cents. However, $2.99 is still a price individuals will pay. 10. Advertising and marketing and promo. When your ebook is marketed and also promoted, it has a wider reach, which in turn equated to boosted sales. Before you release your ebook, think about the financial investment of working with a publicist to let the media learn about your upcoming launch. You can write about your future book on your blog, social media systems, social gatherings, emails, and ask other blog owners to blog about it as well. Just how much money can I make from selling ebooks online? No matter which platform you select, You stand to make concerning $2 a publication if you offer your digital book for $2.99, which is a popular price point. Business writers are making anywhere from a couple of hundred to tens of countless bucks each month by posting as well as marketing books online. Of about 200,000 authors marketing ebooks on Amazon.com, only about 5,000, less than 3%, constantly make $10,000 a year or far better, according to the website Writer Earnings. More than half of those are traditionally published authors. Just around 1% of all the individuals self-publishing ebooks are making much cash on it. So, if your dream is to delight viewers with your incredible jobs, put up your game and write like there's a literary honor to be won. An excellent ebook racks extra sales. What kind of ebook sells best? Fiction, particularly sensual fiction, is without a doubt the largest seller in the ebook market, yet that doesn't mean other specific niches aren't lucrative too. It's everything about finding your corner. You would certainly be shocked to recognize that brief ebooks market also. FAQs. How much can you make selling ebooks? With Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, you earn a royalty of 70% for every book you sell. If you sell your ebook at $1, you get 70 cents for every single sale. Just how do I offer ebooks? Below are the steps you can follow to market ebooks. 1. Discover what your audience wants, and strategy. 2. Write your ebook. 3. Obtain an ISBN for your ebook, optional. 4. Design your digital book. 5. Develop a captivating digital book cover layout. 6. Download and install and release your digital book. 7. Price your ebook. Are ebooks a good way to earn money? From small beginnings, the international sector for ebooks is presently worth $18.13 billion each year. Final thoughts. Making money from ebooks isn't an automatic get-quick-rich scheme. It takes mindful efforts to generate income from ebooks. To stand face-to-face with this fact, adhere to the above-listed suggestions to make certain your ebook draws attention and also generates sales.